Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure Heyday is up to date because QR scanning is tied to the current app build. This prevents errors. Once done, open the game and grant camera permission when prompted because the scanner uses the device camera directly. Now, position the QR code on a second device or printout so you can point your phone at it. Make sure there's good light and clear any glare. These steps speed detection and avoid false reads. You next navigate to the scanner. From your farm screen open settings or the event/promotions area, Heyday groups QR features there. Once you tap scan, the in-game frame appears. Align the code inside that rectangle so the camera can read it. Hold your device steady. The game uses autofocus, so slowly move closer or farther if it fails to detect. If the app shows progress or a success chime, that confirms the code read and triggers the associated content. You finish by confirming the result. Heyday will display the reward, event entry, or friend link after a successful scan, so tap to accept or follow any prompts. If nothing happens, make sure the camera lens is clean and relaunch the app. Often a restart fixes temporary permission or camera lock issues. If scanning still fails, try a different light source or reinstall the game. Finally, contact Heyday support with your device model and a screenshot if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.